Oh. Hey guys, what is happening? Vimal here, back with a new video, and today I've got something very interesting to show you all. So a lot of people usually keep looking to buy like PCs or desktops for your home purpose, right? And what I've seen is not everybody has like full on expertise and proper knowledge on how to build your own PC at your home, right? I mean, choosing the components and all of that can be a bit complicated. Also, I've seen that certain people saying like, Vimal bro, we don't have a lot of space on our desk as well. Where will we put full on gaming PC along with a monitor, speaker setup and all of that? So for that purpose, do you have any alternative solution and stuff like that? Well, you people came to the right video. Today I have a brand new all-in-one desktop PC from Acer, guys, just launched recently in the market. This is their all-new Aspire C series AIO PCs, guys, available in both 24 inches and 27 inches as well. And these AIO PCs actually pack like decent hardware on board considering a reasonable price point. So not only that, you're getting like RGB lighting at the back side, included wireless keyboard and mouse as well, along with a front firing sound bar in this AIO PC. So I'm like very excited to unbox and talk about this PC in this video, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our brand new all-in-one PC from Acer came in this sort of packaging, huge packaging, guys. You just have the Acer branding mentioned, says all-in-one PC over here, and as I've told you, this PC is available in like two different variants. You get 27 inches and 24 inch variant is also there, so totally depends on your requirement. Anyways, quickly unboxing it, we got some accessories over here. There's a power adapter included, finished in white color, and this is the stand for the PC. Looks like any other monitor stand, entirely made of metal body, guys. Definitely looks quite premium and excellent build quality as well. So along with that, you're also getting a mains cord for the power adapter, and this one is the bottom plate for the stand. This is also entirely made of metal and also has rubber foot pads on the bottom. Apart from that, you're also getting some freebie accessories included. It's a wireless keyboard and mouse combo. So basically this all-in-one PC is like fully ready to be used out of the box. You don't need to buy anything separately, guys. It's a full-size slim profile white edition QWERTY wireless keyboard, and along with that, as I've told you, this is a Acer wireless mouse that is included. Plus you're also getting batteries also included for these peripherals, one AA battery for the mouse and two AAA batteries for the keyboard. Okay, so that was our quick unboxing part. Let me give you a closer look at this PC and first of all talk about the design, build quality and all of its features. So there you go, our very first look and hands-on on Acer's all-new Aspire C27 all-in-one PC. And initial impressions, I have to mention, guys, that is one beautiful looking PC, guys. I mean, check out the whole design and also finishing. White aesthetics, right? Absolutely looks quite a premium for this price point. My only concern is, since it's entirely made in white, right, dust might be easily visible on the body, so you might have to keep cleaning it once in a while. And let me tell you, installation of the stand was super simple, guys. There's nothing you need to do. Simply put the stand at the back profile of the monitor, install 4 screws, attach the base stand, and that is pretty much it. Okay, so the first thing you might notice as soon as you look at the PC, right, like, is this seriously like an all-in-one PC or a monitor? I mean, usually all-in-one PCs are quite bulky, guys, because they'll have to not just have the monitor but all the PC configuration, hardware, everything, right? But that is not the case over here. I mean, look at Aspire C27. It's as compact and slim as a regular gaming monitor. I mean, it's pretty hard to believe that you've got entire PC running in this slim and compact form factor. Anyways, let me give you a closer look and start off with the front profile. The Acer Aspire C27 comes with a 27 inches Full HD IPS display on the front. If you're looking for a bit more compact, right, you do have the 24 inch variant available as well, so choice is up to you. On the front profile, you're getting a clean and minimal looking design, three-sided bezel-less design, guys. On the bottom, you do have a little bit of chin with the Acer branding at the center. And you see this lower section just below the display? Well, this is your front-facing soundbar. Literally features like stereo speakers, each of 3 watts, and can produce around 6 watts of output. On the bottom right corner, here you can check out some status LED indicators along with some buttons. You've got a power button, brightness adjustment options, and some other settings. And wait a second, I haven't shown you the flexibility and stand adjustments, right? So this AIO PC supports full-on customizations and height adjustment. You can easily adjust, increase, decrease the height. Pivot support is also there. Go on from full portrait mode to landscape mode. And not only this, you can even adjust the tilt position as well. Only thing is the stand doesn't support swivel adjustment. Anyways, let me give you a closer look at the side profile and talk about the available IO connectivity ports and buttons. First of all, guys, you're getting an RGB customization button. I've told you, right, this AIO PC literally comes with ambient RGB mood lighting at the back side, and you can completely adjust the RGB lighting using this button over here on the go, no software, nothing needed. Followed by a USB-C super speed port is available. One USB Type A port is available to the side. You do have more USB Type A ports, but on the bottom profile, guys. A 3.5mm headphone jack is also there, and an SD card reader is also included. So all the ports are like very easily accessible from the side, not an issue at all. And as I've told you, rest of the ports are available on the bottom profile. On the bottom here, you're getting a power adapter DC port, guys. This is where you'll be connecting the power adapter, followed by a full size HDMI port is also there. And as you people can see, almost 4 USB Type A ports are available, and out of which 2 are super speed USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports. Last but not the least, there's also a mic in port available. And wait a second, in case if you're wondering where the webcam is, well, the webcam is smartly hidden at the top area of the body, guys. Simply pop it out like this and bam! This is that webcam I was talking about. Acer's Aspire C27 literally comes with a full HD webcam that even has like privacy shutter included in the body, guys. So whenever you're not using this webcam, right, simply click on that and it'll go inside the body for full on privacy and safety reasons. And let me tell you, this webcam is also tilt adjustable. It offers like plus or minus 20-degree tilt adjustable, which you can manually change like this and adjust the position as per your convenience. Alright, moving on, here's how the back profile of the PC looks like, and I have to say it looks clean and minimal looking design, right? Really love the white theme and finish Acer has went for. You've got beautiful streaks here and there, plenty of vents as well to let the heat escape. There's also a slot over here so you can easily place your hand and carry this AIO PC from room to room. And if you're wondering what these translucent areas are, well, I've told you at the beginning only, right? This AIO PC also has like fully customizable RGB ambient mood lighting at the backside, right? This is only that. So these two zones are like full on RGB backlit, and you can easily customize the lighting effects as well using the RGB button present on the right profile of the PC. You've got various effects available, like solid colors are there, RGB spectrum lighting is also there, flashing effects and many more. You can easily choose between them on the go without the need to install any sort of separate software, guys. So that is definitely a plus point and gives a beautiful ambient lighting effect to the overall PC. Build quality of the PC is also nice. Most of the monitor's body is made of like polycarbonate material, but the entire stand seems to be made of aluminum, guys, full on metal finish. And if you can observe, you do have like a cable management bracket also included, so you can neatly organize all your cables. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors, design, build quality and all the available connectivity ports. Now before we actually move on and get to the hardware specs, configuration and overall performance of this PC, first of all let me tell you about the overall display quality and also the built-in speakers quality. As I've told you, ours is the Aspire C27 AIO PC and literally comes with a 27 inches 1080p FHD IPS level display. And I've been using this PC for the last couple of days and binge watched variety of content, guys, not just like some YouTube videos, but I've also played some OTT related content on apps like Prime Video and Netflix as well. And overall display quality was like very good for this price point. Good amount of detail, 1920 by 1080 resolution, right? All the text is like easily readable, not an issue at all. Now some people might have some doubts saying like, Vimal bro, this is like 1080p resolution at 27 inches, right? Is there any chance that the display or panel looks a bit grainy? Nothing like that, guys. See, for day-to-day casual office related work, right, this panel, this display is like pretty good and will easily get your job done. Now unless you are like a techie, a nerd who's already used like higher resolution panel, right, then you might be able to make out the difference. And honestly speaking, for the price that you're paying, right, you cannot even expect such sort of specs. On the overall, I think it's a pretty good quality display. If you ask about the colors are also nice. It's an IPS panel, right? And let me tell you, I was actually surprised like how well it is color calibrated from the factory. All the primary colors like reds, blues and greens were pretty much on point, and I was like quite happy and satisfied with the results. Contrast ratio, black levels are also nice. And if you ask about the brightness of the display is also pretty good, guys. The panel can easily produce around like 250 to 300 nits, and I had no issues checking out the display in most of the situations. Viewing angles are also great, again all thanks to its IPS panel. See, for the price that you're paying, right, I'm pretty sure you'll be like quite happy and satisfied with the display that you're getting on this model. Keeping that aside, let me also tell you about the built-in speakers. At the beginning only I've told you, right, you're actually getting like a front-firing built-in soundbar sort of setup. Stereo speakers, each of 3 watts. Totally you can expect around like 6 watts of output, and audio output, audio clarity, everything was like pretty nice for the price point, guys. All the dialogues are like crisp, clear, easily audible, and output are also like decently sufficient. And wait a second, I totally forgot to talk about the keyboard and the mouse. mouse, right? As I've told you, you're getting like an included wireless peripheral kit, keyboard and mouse, and that too finished in this beautiful white theme to match up with your entire AIO, guys. I've been testing the keyboard for quite some time and overall had like a pleasant and comfortable experience using it. You're getting like full sized QWERTY layout, right? All the keys are easily accessible. Quality of the keys and keycaps is also nice, offer like a tactile and clicky feedback. And yes, you're also getting some status LED indicators for caps, scroll and stuff like that. If you ask about the mouse is also nice. It's a wireless mouse, easily recognizes all my gestures and even heavy movements as well during gaming. So great for day-to-day casual sort of applications. So this is the part you people have been waiting for, right? How is the overall performance of this AIO PC? First of all, let's talk about the hardware specs and configuration. I've told you, right, this AIO PC is available in like multiple configurations. You're getting different CPUs, different models are their memory configurations. The one we have today in the home is powered by Intel's 12th Gen i5 12450H. Basically 8-core 12-thread CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 4.4 GHz. And yes, this is based on their performance hybrid architecture featuring 4 P cores and 4 E cores. On board you're getting Intel UHD graphics and pair that with 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 MHz. And yes, you're also getting 1 TB of SSD included as well. If you ask about the upgradability, I believe you're getting one spare slot, so yes, the RAM on it is upgradable, not an issue at all. So as I've told you at the beginning, I've been using the Aspire C27 AIO PC for the last couple of days for my day-to-day related work, office related stuff, a bit of productivity as well, and had a pleasant experience so far, guys. I mean, if you're running like half a dozen Chrome or Edge tabs also, right, I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters, nothing like that. Overall home screen experience, navigating through Windows 11 operating system, everything felt like super smooth and buttery. I mean, check it out, guys. PC was performing swift, snappy and responsive. And mind you, I was using the PC mostly in best performance mode in the system profile settings. And not just your day-to-day office related works, you can do a bit of creative and productive related applications as well. Maybe you're a content creator and you want to use this PC for a bit of side hobby. Maybe you edit a lot of photos on Photoshop, right? Not an issue at all. It can easily handle these sort of applications. Basic 1080p video editing is also possible, but mind you, don't try to use a lot of graphic intensive applications or stuff like that, because this all-in-one PC doesn't have like a dedicated or discrete graphics on board, right? It only has like onboard integrated Intel UHD graphics. Now I know this is not a gaming related PC, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people have these questions like, can we use this AIO PC for a bit of casual gaming? Yes, you can do some casual gaming, maybe like 720p normal graphics preset, something like that. But again, I'm telling you, it's not made for gaming purpose, right? So don't expect you'll be able to play like AAA titles or games like that with full-on graphics settings. Anyways, to give you like a quick idea and a brief on the gaming performance, right now we're playing GTA 5 at 1080p resolution normal graphics preset, and here are the results. On an average, we were getting around like 30 to 35 FPS. But if you want a smooth and consistent 60 FPS frame rate, right, then I would recommend lowering down the resolution to 720p for a more optimal sort of results. Also, initially I was a bit skeptical, like it's an all-in-one PC, right? How would the thermals on this be? Would the CPU overheat or something like that? But to my surprise, the PC was very well thermal designed, guys. I mean, you're getting lots of air vents and exhaust slots at the backside for air circulation, and also has an integrated fan on the inside. And you people can literally check out the thermal performance on the CPU stats at the top left corner. Even after playing the game for like 30-35 minutes also, right, the CPU is mostly fluctuating around like 65-70 degrees, guys. So thermal design and heat management are well under control. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up, guys. Our video on Acer's all new Aspire C27 all-in-one PC solution. It's a great PC, as I've told you at the beginning. If you're looking to buy like a desktop or PC along with integrated speakers and stuff like that, then this might definitely be like a good choice for you. Even the hardware performance was nice considering the price point. Plus you're getting like a 27 inches 1080p IPS level display, right? It's like an all-in-one package is what I can say. So the pricing for the 24-inch variant starts at around like 54,490 rupees, and our C27 27-inch variant costs around like 60,990 rupees. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.